Hello everyone, we are start in the series Roadmap to Become Competitive Programmer Faster. So in this video, I'll be solving 47th problem, and I will not be solving on the board. As you know, I'm not behind my board. So this problem is basically finding square roots. In olden days, finding square roots seemed to be difficult, but nowadays it can be easily done using built-in functions available across many languages. Yeah, as you know, in all the languages there is a square root function. Assuming that you happen to hear the above words and you want to give a try in finding the square root of any given integers using inbuilt function. So here is it. So basically the first input contains an integer number of test cases. So let's take the number of test cases. So this will take care of all the test cases. We'll have to call one function, let's say solve, and let's define this function here. And just saying each line contains an integer and whose square root needs to be computed. Okay, so let's take n. Each square roots we need to compute. For each line of input, output the square root of input integer round down to the nearest integer in the new line. So basically, you guys I think know. Like basically finding the square root if you try to, let's say 10 number they given. So we know 9 square root is 3, right? And yeah, so tens and the next square root will be 16ths. It will be 4. So from 9 to 16 any number we have. So its square root will be 3 point something it will be there. So we'll have to write down 3 only. Sorry, not 9 to 16, it will be 9 to 15. So so yeah, 10 square root will be 3 only, you guys know it. And 5 square root will be 2 point something, so it will be 2. And this 10,000 square root will be 100. So we are not finding using any manual method, we are doing it using function. So you will have to print the integer part, right? So we'll take square root of n, Sn will take. This will be sq in C++, it is sqrt function. In input we'll just print Sn. I start over the code. Yeah, we are getting 3 to 100. I started submit the code. So I think you guys got to know how to solve this. Basically, square root function, with this problem was focusing more on square root function, so we have did it here. And I think you guys know what is square root, so I'll just explain it here. So yeah, in this way you'll have to find the square root. Square root of 1, 4, 9, 16, which is 9, 25. So these are perfect squares. If you try to find square root of these numbers, it will be respectively 1 to this thing. So any number between 16 to 25, from 16 to 14, its square root will be integer part will be 4. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.